Hello, this is for us, the lucky ones. If you've left the working world behind and now have time for good company, good food, a glass of wine, and a little kitchen theater, the table without recipe might be right for you. Horst and a dozen brave souls have shaped a few guidelines to keep the kitchen playful rather than chaotic. In our tasting kitchen, we cook a little, talk a lot, and bend the rules simply because we can. We're a small, social cooking group where we improvise, taste, laugh, and follow one guiding principle. No rules, just common sense. Each session centers around our mystery box, seasonal, surprising, and always fun. You can cook, but you don't have to. Chop, chat, or simply enjoy the atmosphere. No pressure, no performance. And a glass of wine in your hand is enough reason not to touch any knives, pots, or pans. We're a self-managed, not-for-profit group at the Christie's Downs Community Center, and we'd love to welcome you at the table without recipe.